Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott rear right and left shock for the Audi A6 or S6 C6 with air suspension. This video will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth and safe installation process for your vehicle's suspension system. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by raising the vehicle and removing the applicable rear wheel. Next, remove the applicable wheel well liner. Now deflate the rear air spring following the vehicle manufacturer's specifications and disconnect the electrical connection to the shock. Then remove the two top mount bolts. Remove the bottom mount bolt. You should now be able to remove the old shock from the vehicle, completing the removal process. Install the new Arnott shock and the lower shock mount bolt. During the installation process, make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Install the two top mount bolts and connect the vehicle's electrical connection to the shock. Now inflate the rear air spring following the vehicle manufacturer's specifications and reinstall the wheel well liner and the applicable rear wheel. Then lower the vehicle and the installation is complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear shocks of an Audi A6 or S6 C6 with new Arnott parts. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.